Most DIY benches fail because of these mistakes. If you are building a bench, watch this first. No diagonal bracing, bench wobbles. Building a bench looks very easy, but many beginners forget diagonal bracing. At first the bench feels okay, after some time it becomes loose and unstable. With regular use it can even collapse. Always add diagonal support, it makes the bench strong and safe. Wrong backrest angle, back pain. The easiest way is to install the backrest at 90 degrees. This works, but it is not comfortable. After 20 minutes your back feels tired, your spine cannot relax. Just cut the backrest at a small angle. The bench becomes much more comfortable. A good backrest angle is between 105 and 115 degrees. Screws on top, rust and stains. It is faster to drive screws from the top of the seat. Just place the board and screw it in, but if possible, attach board from the bottom. It looks cleaner. After rain, screws on top can rust. Rust can stain clothes. You can also catch clothes on the screw head. If you can, always hide the screws. No pre-drilling wood cracks. Many beginners skip pre-drilling holes. This is a big mistake. Without pre-drilling, wood can crack. Sometimes immediately, sometimes later. Always drill holes before using screws. Screws go in easier and deeper. There is less chance to catch clothes on them. Wrong board thickness, bench bends. Another common beginner mistake is using thin boards. Many people use boards 1 inch thick or less. The bench becomes lighter and easy to build, but thin boards bend under body weight. Over time, screws become loose. The bench needs constant repair. If possible, use 2 inch or 5 cm thick boards. Your bench will last much longer. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. See you next time.